So good evening, everyone. You can switch on your video so that we can interact uh, with Subha. Vedic Maths, please rename yourself so that I can talk to you also.
Okay.
Okay. I could not see anyone. You're going to become trainers, right? We'll just wait for one more minute and then. Okay. So let's start. Now, first, I'll be welcoming you to the 2 days workshop where we'll be learning the insights of Vedic mathematics. Now, this is the foundation of Vedic maths to become a trainer, to become a professional Vedic maths trainer. I believe that all of you are aware about the terms Vedic maths and why it is important. And very important, this is a workshop where I will be interacting with you. So you need to ask me more questions. If you'll be silent and by switching off your videos, how will I be able to interact? Yes, so first thing is Vedic mathematics. So what do you mean by Vedic mathematics? Six of you. Yes, Riddhi, Dinesh, Gurpreet, Nilesh, Preeti, Subha. What do we mean by Vedic mathematics?
Sir, Vedic math, actually, I have done another course.
No issues.
According to me, it is the method in which the students learn the basic operations, everything in a easier way.
Why did you use the word basic?
Basic operations in the sense, all the addition, subtraction and all, they find the traditional way of doing it very difficult. As
Okay.
a teacher, I found out, as a math teacher, I found out they're struggling in doing that. So
Never.
many parents want them to do it very easily.
Preeti,
So,
you didn't understand my question. You said the word basic. So that was my question. Why basic? Why do you think only basic? See, if I tell you Vedic maths, it makes calculations easy. Correct.
mm.
That is one thing. But what calculations? Arithmetic, algebra, trigonometry, geometry, calculus, conics. So I think that is not basic. That is the advanced level of mathematics.
Actually, parents require only the basic operations in the beginning to be perfect. That's why they are opting for that only.
Okay, no, that the reason behind that is something different because Vedic maths has been introduced right now. It's not a long back. So people are not aware what we can do with Vedic maths. They are still comparing with the Abacus. Yes, Nilesh. No issues. You can speak, Nilesh. We'll manage the disturbance.
Yeah,
Yes, Gurpreet.
nothing. Yeah, yeah, little disturbance around me, so I'm listening, no problem. Yeah, thank
The listening would be difficult for me, then I'll sleep because it's not lecture.
you. No, no, no.
It is a workshop.
Because actually some loudspeakers
You
are
know,
going.
just
Yeah,
just now
yeah,
I finished with the workshop with the students, and they were so positive. Everybody
yeah.
was live. Everybody was switch on the videos, and we had a good time for 2 3 hours. And now I think everybody's like, okay, speak whatever you want to say, and we'll sleep. So that's the difference. Okay. Now, yes, very first thing, why do we call it as Vedic? Why not simple maths, easy maths? You were correct somehow. But let me tell you what is technically, if I say the language, Vedic maths is a collection of techniques. Now, here you call that techniques as sutras. What we call in maths as formulas, here we call it as sutras. So, technically, Vedic maths is a collection of techniques, what we call formulas or sutras, which makes our mathematical calculations. I'm using the word mathematical calculations easy, simple, and faster. Right. And if in one word I have to define, then Vedic maths makes maths magical. And you will understand this today also when we'll be doing some of the techniques today. It Now I use the word formulas, sutras. So how many formulas do we have? We have
16 sutras.
16 sutras, which you call it as formulas. 13 sub sutras or sub formulas. See, just imagine how many formulas do we have in maths? Every topic has 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. And here we are saying entire maths can be covered by just this 29 sutras. Yes, it is possible. If you do the entire arithmetics, it hardly involves 7 to 8 sutras. So with that only you are able to complete entire Vedic mathematics, arithmetics. Algebra has few sutras, trigonometry has one. So entire mathematical calculations can be done with these 29 sutras and subsutras. So the question arises, what do you mean by Vedic? Why it is not called as simple mathematics, easy mathematics, mental mathematics, or whatever you say? Why it is called as Vedic mathematics? Yes. Why the name Vedic? Why not something else? So I have to speak your names. Okay. Again, Riddhi, Dinesh, Gurpreet, Nilesh, Preeti, Subha. I think 12 were there. So 18, 17 admissions. No issues. So yes. Why it is called as Vedic mathematics? Why not something else?
So it helps you increase your speed and removes the fear you have with mathematics.
You're not understanding the question. My question was why it is called as Vedic. I'm not asking the uses. Why it is called Vedic? Yes, Deepti. Why it is called as Vedic? Why not something else?
Yes,
Because
sir.
because this has been taken from our Vedas.
Vedas.
So how many Vedas do we have?
4.
4. Anyone can name?
Samved, Yajurved, Atharvaved,
Rigved,
Rigved,
Samved,
Yajurved or Atharvaved.
Yajurved, and Atharved. So this particular subject has been taken, it is believed to be taken from our Atharveda. Now the Veda that deals with engineering, which deals with engineering, mathematics, sculpture, medicine, and all the sciences which we are today aware of. Right. And one more meaning of Vedic is ocean of knowledge. So Vedic mathematics is the ocean of knowledge. It's not a bundle of tricks which we have in our thoughts. So whenever we learn 2, 3 tricks, we say, oh, I'm a Vedic maths trainer. No. It is a concept which you need to understand. So today we'll go through that, but I would be happy if you ask your queries, which I can resolve. Yes. So please switch on your videos so that we can interact. The question arises, why should we learn Vedic maths? Why to learn? What is the use? Yes, anyone? Deepti, Dinesh, Riddhi, Nilesh, Preeti, Subha. Why should we learn Vedic mathematics? Nobody knows.
Hmm.
Strange. Yes, Deepti, Dilip, why should we learn Vedic mathematics, or what is the use of Vedic mathematics?
Sir, use of Vedic mathematics is faster calculation.
Okay, very good. What else?
Uh, no, I know only this much.
Sure, that's great. See, why you all have joined. I'll give you the reason. We all looking for the financial part. There's nothing to, because national education policy in India that states that every child should be given this knowledge. Right. And due to this, we all are learning Vedic maths. That's one thing which is a hardcore truth. But now coming to the technical thing, coming to why to learn Vedic mathematics, it's not because of that only. So yes, you were correct. It helps mathematical calculations 10 to 15 times faster. Can we believe on this statement? That it helps to
Yeah.
solve mathematical calculations 10 to 15 times faster. So we'll learn this
Okay.
today. Second, it reduces burden. Now, what is a burden? If you remember your days, if you remember asking students, so the biggest problem they face is learning tables. So this burden of tables is entirely removed with the help of Vedic maths. You don't have to cram any table at all. Third thing,
ना ना
सर कौन बोल रहा है ये? Can we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, very important, it reduces burden. What is that? The burden of tables. Third thing, it reduces your scratch work. Now, what is scratch work? And finger counting. You will understand this when we'll be proceeding. I'm just hurrying up in this so that we can practically do something. Fourth, it helps to increase concentration. Last but not the least, it reduces your silly mistakes. Till now, any question do you have? Up till here, we just understood, or we just did what is Vedic mathematics, what are the uses, or why should we learn Vedic mathematics, and a technical definition that it is a collection of techniques or sutras which helps to make mathematical calculations easy, simple, and faster. Any question you have regarding this? Yes, anyone?
Mr.
No, sir.
Dilip Mohanty here.
Sorry?
Hello.
Yes.
Dilip Mohanty here.
Yeah, Dilip, tell me.
Sir, you told something about the national education policy, requirement of national education policy about Vedic mathematics. Can you just repeat that or elaborate on that?
Sure. Can you switch on your video?
Okay.
What do you do, sir? Hello.
Sir, actually, I am a financial sector professional.
Okay.
I worked in UTI Asset Management Company as Vice President in Investments Department.
Okay.
Recently, I retired from my service.
Perfect.
And earlier also, I studied about this Vedic mathematics, but I have not gone much deep into it.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to know it in detail.
Very good. So you should ask more and more questions. I'll be happy to answer.
Okay.
Because you and me are only in the class, others are sleeping.
Okay.
Right. So now coming to NEP. See, in 2020, Government of India, they made a policy called National Education Policy. Right. If you go through that policy, it is written very clearly, students need to be taught about Indian knowledge system. What is Indian knowledge system? Yoga, meditations, and Vedic mathematics. And even some dance are mentioned over there. The same letter was issued by UGC to all the universities. I have that letters also. And in accordance to this, Government of Haryana, they officially appointed me for training their teachers, the government school teachers, that is more than 10,000. Since 13th March or 11th March 2021. So I am taking classes of teachers since that time of Haryana. But yes, the progress was very slow, because if you have to train some students, you need to have proper infrastructure, proper curriculum, syllabus had to be designed. So it was missing. Only some states have implemented. Now, in Haryana, class 4th and 5th maths books, there only they have added the chapter of Vedic maths. So that I have given, and I have received a letter also for that. That appreciation letter from Government of Haryana. So that is the reason why people are now talking about Vedic maths. It's not that suddenly everybody got, okay, we should learn Vedic maths. No one is here to learn. People are here to, get the benefit of the opportunity. This is a lifetime opportunity, because now when it will be starting, the government will start implementing in every school. Can you think how many teachers would be required? Every year or every school. See, you move down any lane, you cross down any way, there are 2 schools minimum. So if this government, if they start employing Vedic mathematics teachers, so how many teachers would be required? And we are lack of teachers because this has not been taken till now. Even this month only, 2 of my teachers whom I am training, I've just taken 1 month of their training. They got an agreement with government school in Belagavi. So they are taking classes now. The only thing is you need to move ahead and talk to the schools. People are ready, schools are ready, students need this education, but you have to rise and do further. Right. So this was NEP. You know, I'll give you a very simple example. We all know that helmet is very important, but we never wear. But the moment we reach to some circle or chowk where police is checking, we immediately wear helmets. That is what is going to happen. When government will be implementing this national education policy, everybody will rush to become a trainer. And that is what is happening actually. So you need to understand that thoroughly because there will be a tough competition coming ahead. Right. So the question was, yes, anyone else has any query?
No, sir.
Dinesh, can we focus on Vedic maths instead of NEP? So you ask your question if you have. See, if somebody asks me a question, I have to answer. If you have other question, you ask me. Now, question arises. The first advantage we said was it helps mathematical calculations 10 to 15 times faster. But why does it happen? What is the reason behind it? See, as a teacher, you should know. If it is a student, I will directly take him into the calculation part. But question arises, why speed increases with Vedic mathematics? Why does speed increases? Yes, anyone? Deepti. So you all are teaching Vedic maths. Why does speed increases? Okay. I think you don't want theory. Let's directly jump to the practical part. So the first topic, let's take is, okay, before that also, my question is, how do you write? How do you write? Which direction?
Right to left, left to right, sorry.
Left to right. Okay. Yes, Dinesh, how do you write? Dilip, how do you write?
Left to right.
Perfect. How do you read a paper? Anything.
Left to right.
Perfect. Now you're sitting in your place. There might be a cupboard in front of you. There might be something placed. So how do you see? Again, left to right, because our eyes
Left to
will
right.
focus and we'll be able to see left to right only. Now,
Right.
the question arises, when we read left to right, when we see left to right, when we write left to right, why do we do math calculation right to left?
Right to left.
Why? Why do we do? Yes. Anyone? Some of you are maths teachers. Why? Why do we do maths reverse way? When we do everything left to right, why do we do maths the reverse way? Yes. Anyone have the answer?
Sir, I think we have been taught to do this way only.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So that means you want to say whatever has been taught to you, you follow that instructions.
Yes.
Okay. So what you were taught by your mother to eat roti, chapati, paranthas, and what you eat? Pizza, pasta, sizzlers. Who taught you that?
No.
So see, this is the point. We never thought about it. Whatever was fed, we just continued carrying it out. But today you will feel something different. And this is a reason why your mental maths is slow. Or mental maths is weak. The moment someone asks you maths, you find a paper and pen or today calculator and then start writing. We never able to visualize or think from our brain. And the reason is this. We'll do this today. So you can have. Now you can take out paper and pen and we'll start this practice. The first topic I'll be taking is multiplication with 11 and its multiples. So what are multiples of 11?
Tables of 11.
Correct.
22.
So 22, 33, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 78, 88, 99, 110, 121, 132, and so on. So we'll be doing these calculations mentally. Now, question arises why I have taken 11 as the first digit. Because 11 is the simplest and magical number. You multiply anything with 11. The same number gets repeated twice. You multiply 4, it becomes 44. You multiply 5, it becomes 55. You multiply 7, it becomes 77. You multiply 10, now you'll say no, it does not become 10, 10. In actual, it becomes 10 and 10 only. But the way to write is different. We'll understand this now. This you will be learning within 5-10 minutes. What is this? So 11 will teach you so many things. Let's say my first question is 12 into 11. What is the answer?
132. 132.
How will you do? Yes, how do you do, Dilip? कैसे करते हैं?
11 multiply 10 or 11 multiply 2.
Okay. So you use a distributive property.
Yes.
11 into 10 plus 2.
10.
So that means 110 plus 22.
Plus 12.
Correct. Or somebody could have done 12 into 10 plus 12 into 1. मतलब उल्टा भी ले लेते हैं. Yeah. So see, that's good. So many methods are coming out. People also, the students, how students do, they have one simple way. $12. Correct? But today we'll be learning it to do mentally. Because 12 is not my target. My target is 40 numbers together. So you should be able to multiply 40 numbers together. Now for that, see now. Let's say even if it is 12 into 11 or it is 11 into 12, one number should be 11. So what you have to do, look for the other number. It is 12. First digit as it is, second digit as it is, in between add the two numbers. So what is 1 plus 2?
3.
Now how to do it mentally?
Okay.
23 into 11. So 2, what is 2 plus 3?
5.
And 3 as it is. What is
Okay.
35? 3, 8, 5.
Okay.
What? We'll take more numbers. 63, 6, 8, 3.
693. 693, sir.
चलो मुझे लगा सो गए थे सारे. Good. 27 into 11.
297.
297. 17 into 11.
187.
187.
187. 25 into 11.
275.
275. 52 into 11.
572.
572. Very good going. Great going. और करेंगे अभी तो. 81 into 11.
891.
90 into 11.
891.
Perfect. 90 into 11.
92. No,
990.
990. Okay. Now comes 36 into 11.
396.
396. Very good. What is 37 into 11?
407.
407.
How? ये कौन बात कर रहा है भैया? छोड़ दो क्लास, क्यों तंग कर रहे हो सबको? See what has happened here. I'll give you one understanding. Do you remember place values? There is one thing called unit place, then tens, then 100. Correct? Now, how many digits come under unit place? How many digits? 9. 9 are different numbers and not 9, 10.
Okay.
How many digits come under unit place? My question is,
One
One.
digit.
very good. How many digits come under tens position?
2 digit.
1.
Somebody said 1, so I'll understand that also. How many digits under 100 position?
3.
3.
So everybody agrees with this?
Yes.
Or anyone? थोड़ा जोर से बोल लेंगे.
Yes, yes.
That is the reason why we are wrong. You all are sitting at one chair. Can somebody sit on the same chair?
No.
No.
Why do you need one chair then? Why not two people can sit on the same chair? See the point you need to understand. Okay, I'll give you one simple question. 87 is a number. This is your unit place. How many digits?
One.
This is tens position. How many digits?
Two.
8 is 2 digit.
No, sorry, one.
That is a confusion. See, the point was how many digits at that position. I'm not asking how many total digits till that position. What is to be
Okay.
done with that? You don't have any work to do with the total. You have to do with how many digits at each position. Like you need one chair to sit. Everybody needs one individual chair. Similarly, one digit, one position. If you understand this 111, you know how powerful it is. Your addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squaring, cubing, square root, cube root, plus multiplication tables. Everything can be done with this place values. Just this place value. And we never thought about it. Only one thing I'll add into this. I'll put one line so that you don't get confused. And I call this line as balancing line. So that there is no problem at all. There is no physical, this line does not exist physically, but this is for your mental understanding कि yes, एक जगह पे एक पोजीशन पे only one digit और दो ना आ जाए इसलिए एक लाइन डाल दी so that you have a clear cut understanding. But with this balancing line and place value concept, you can solve entire arithmetics. तो जो हम 8 तक का सिलेबस what we feel we cram on formulas and everything, we cram on the methods, nothing is required. Just this single line. And today we'll be doing this 40 numbers, will be multiplying within seconds. You all will be doing. And we'll be using balancing line everywhere. Then we'll be also doing tables. Because tables you need to learn, you need to make everybody practice. Students don't know tables above 12. Even teachers don't know. Because with the normal method, you have to cram. But Vedic maths, you don't have to cram anything at all. Now, just see why I taught you now this. See, when it was 36, at that time, there were three positions. One was first digit. Let me put balancing line now so that you understand the things. 3 plus 6, 9, and balancing 6. That's what I said, three stages. Or you can say, if it is AB, 2 digit, A plus B, and B. But now, so single digit, unit place, single digit, okay. Tens position, single digit, okay. And so this question was correct. But when we said 37, what happened? 3, 10, 7. Now, this is correct. This is wrong, but this is correct as per you. Because everybody said 2 digits at tens position. Now it is 2 digit only, na? So, as per you, it should be correct. But no. That understanding is wrong. That interpretation is wrong. So, this extra digit moves here. Because if somebody comes and you're sitting on a chair, either you will shift or provide with the new chair. Na? So that is what happens. This one goes with 3. So that becomes 407. Now is it clear?
Yes.
So that is the reason place value you need to understand. Not cram 1, 2, 3, 4. No. And you will see today when we'll do addition, multiplication, everything can be done with just this one line. Okay. If this is clear, what is 88?
Okay.
So 88 means 9, 6, 8. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, how to do it mentally? First, understand mentally. Paperwork you all can do very easily, I know. See, think from this side. What is the first digit? Okay, like first question was, let's say 14. Your brain, see there, we have two brain parts, left brain, right brain. One will think what is going to come. A means 1. Second step, also you have to foresee. What is 1 plus 4? 5. It is not giving me a carryover. Okay. Then 1, 5, 4. But here, if it was 78 or 88, 7 I have to write. But I just observe that 7 plus 8 is giving me a carryover.
Yes.
Correct. So I will immediately add him first. 8.
8, 5.
What is left? 5. What is
5,
there?
8.
8. If you cannot do this, otherwise you can. But still, if you find no, I cannot do this mentally, so this is the way. Finish. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is 29 into 11? Yes, please, fast.
319. 319.
Very good. 48 into 11?
5 to 8.
Very good.
5 to 8.
Very good. 64 into 11?
704.
504.
704.
Got it.
704.
You are doing it mentally now. You are able to visualize. Just think, if same has to be done with the normal method, this method is faster or that was faster? And similarly, you are faster than the calculator, because in calculator also you have to press 6 digits. 6, 4 into 11 is equal to, then you'll get the answer. But mentally you are faster. The only thing is you need to understand the technique first. Once technique is clear, you'll never be going wrong in maths. 77.
847.
Very good. 85.
935.
935. 89.
979.
979. Very good.
No,
57.
649.
57.
627.
6 to 7.
69.
759.
759.
759.
Very good. Now you are getting the concept. 8. 83.
813. Sorry,
913.
913.
Good. Chalo. One last and then we'll close this topic. 29.
319.
319.
Okay. What is the largest two-digit number?
99.
What is
99.
99 into 11? What is 99 into 11?
1089. 1089.
1089.
1089.
So now is it clear? Any question you have regarding two-digit numbers? Any question you have? Tell me. Any question you have regarding two-digit numbers? Okay, let's move to three-digit numbers then. See, one thing make clear, if you are looking forward to become a trainer, you need to ask more. Because if you are not asking me, students will not leave you. They'll ask you more questions. So you need to ask. Okay. Let's say 123. Now instead of AB, it is ABC. Again, 1 as it is. What is 1 plus 2?
3,
3. What is 2 plus 3?
5,
5. And 3 as it is. So again, if you understand A plus B, B
B
plus
plus C,
C, and
or
C.
C.
Finish.
Okay.
Anyone has a doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, clear. So what is 3 to 1 into 11?
3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 1. 3, 5, 3, 1.
3, 5, 3, 1.
3531.
Very good. 3, 6, 4. Sorry, 3, 6, 2. 3, 6, 2 into 11.
3, 9, 8, 2.
Yeah, 3982.
Good. Let's take carryovers now. 3, 6, 4. Chalo, sorry. I'll give simple number first because this will become more tough. 255.
2805.
2805. You understood what happened? 2 was as it is. 2 plus 5 was 7. But no, there is a carryover coming again. So that's why 805. Right. In case, again, I'm repeating, in case today is the first day, you find it difficult. So write 2, 7, 10, 5. So you'll understand 5, 0, 8, 2. Clear? Okay. Now see, in both, if it is carryover 285, I've changed both. Now 2 carryovers will be coming. Tell me.
3135.
3, 1.
35.
Okay. Yes, others. Others. Only one. So again, understand 2 plus 8 will be giving me a carryover. So I said 3, 10 means 1, and 0 and 1, 1, 3, 5. Clear? Or we can do 2, 10, 13, 5. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yes, Gurpreet, हो गया? Anyone has any question till now?
Okay.
Let's practice. 6, 9, 5. Give me. Fast.
7645.
7, 6,
645.
4, 5.
5.
Very good.
Yes.
So if you are able to do this mentally, you should understand how fast you are going on. And with this speed, you can be faster than the calculator. You might have realized till now. Right. 878. 878.
9658.
9658.
Yes. 9658.
9658. Very good. 899. 899.
9889.
9889.
9889.
Clear? Any doubt? Anyone has doubt, please ask.
Mhm.
Anyone has any doubt, please ask. Okay. 4, 8, 9.
5379.
5379.
5, 3, 7,
79.
9. 5, 9, 6.
6556.
Yes.
Very good. If you are able to solve this mentally, too good. So let's come directly. What is the largest 3-digit number?
999.
999. So what is 999 into 11? What is 999
0989.
into 11? So 999 means
989.
10989.
Yes.
Any doubt up till here? Yes. Anyone has any question in 3-digit numbers? Now I'll take only 1 or 2 examples in 4-digit and then we'll jump directly to. So if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, now you understand. 1, 3, 5, 7, 4. Finish. Just imagine if this question was given to you before this class. Can you do this? Were you able to
No.
do this like this? Not at all, because we have been taught in a different way. But what we are learning today, I left that theory part because nobody was answering. That was the scene behind Vedic mathematics. See, whatever is given in Google, that is not all. There is something which you all need to know. What is the idea behind Vedic maths? We'll do that also after some time. 2, 4, 3, 5. Yes, what is the answer? 2, 4.
26785.
Very good.
Yes, yes. 26785.
So, any doubt you have, both of you?
No, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
ये किसकी आवाज आ रही है? पता नहीं क्या बिजनेस कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. दिलीप, आपके बैकग्राउंड पे क्या आवाज है?
Sir, I am in mute.
नहीं, वो मैंने अब किया है, तभी आवाज बंद हुआ है. चलो. 4, 8, 5, 7. Now tell me. Yes, tell me.
53497. 5,
5327.
4,
27.
97.
9 कैसे होगा?
Oh, sorry. Yes, 27.
Got it. Good.
Yes.
Good attempt. That's not so 5. Then
Yes.
आगे क्या आएगा 5 के बाद?
3,
3,
4,
4, 2,
2,
7.
7.
Got
Yes.
it. Chalo. So any doubt up till here? 6, 7, 8, 9 into 11.
Seven, 4, 6, 7, 9. 7, 4, 6, 7, 9.
7,
4,
4,
6,
Mhm.
7,
6,
9.
7,
6,
9.
7, 9. Perfect. So you got the idea. We are adding it if we observe that there is a carryover coming. Right.
Yes.
Okay. I think now practice is sufficient. So what is the largest 4-digit number? 9, 9,
9, 9,
9,
9.
9. So what is that? 9 into 11. Yes, tell me.
1, 0, 9, 9, 8, 9.
1, 0,
9, 9, 8,
8,
9.
9. Correct. Any doubt? Yes,
No.
anyone has a doubt up till here, 4-digit numbers. So I'll be asking questions. So if you have questions, you ask. Otherwise, I'll be asking on this topic. Yes, Dinesh, any question?
When there is no remainder, it
Mhm.
is easy to calculate from left side.
Reminder nahi, carry over.
Okay, carryover. When there is a carryover, when there is no carryover, it is
Mhm.
easy to calculate from left side. But when
Mhm.
there is a carryover, it might be easy to calculate from right end.
That is from right, you are writing and doing it, not verbally.
Yes.
Then, sir, you are at least 40 years.
Right, sir.
So you have experience, you have been practicing that for 35 years. And this we took only 15 minutes. But
But
it
it might be difficult if there is carryover of 2, might be 20, 30.
might be, na? It is not guaranteed, na? You're not understanding the point. I'll explain you, don't worry. You are on the right track. Why not we can do? The point was not this. The point was we have been doing that way only. Why didn't we try this earlier? So if a child is doing at an earlier age, then they are faster in there. I'll give you
By practicing, we can do it.
अब थोड़ा करेंगे 40 साल के होने के बाद कहाँ प्रैक्टिस हो पाएगी ना सर.
Right, sir.
पर 8 साल का बच्चा अगर कर ले तो उसके लिए कितना बेनिफिशियल है.
Right, sir.
सोच के देखिए. कोई बात नहीं, एक और पॉइंट बताऊंगा अभी. So similarly, I'll just leave one question of 5 digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I would have asked this question earlier, nobody would have answered. Now you can do this in 3 seconds. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, let me give you, I'm not taking carryovers if yes, I have not taken carryover because first time I don't want to you pressurize. But still think we can do this multiplication without any hesitation. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 7, 5. At least we can
3,
do it, na?
7, 5.
5,
Yes, sir.
3, 5,
At least
7,
that burden
5.
we cannot do from left to right, that has been removed or not. And I'll give you the practical example now. Why it happened? साइकिल चलाया कभी? How many of you?
Yes, sir.
आगे से अगर आगे से हवा होता है तो क्या हो जाता है? प्रेशर पड़ता है ना. और पीछे
Yes.
से हो तो it supports you. You start moving further. Same was happening. You were reading up number from left to right, and you were trying to do that calculations mentally. How is it possible? Just imagine, can you do two things at the same time, opposite direction? That was a reason you were getting slow. Again, look at the same number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you are reading this way and adding this way, it was easy. But this way, it was getting a bit difficult because आप इमेजिन 1 कर रहे हो, कैलकुलेशन इधर से कर रहे हो, 2 थिंग्स कोलाइड, बट यस ऑन पेपर यू आर फास्ट. भाई पेपर पे तो आपको 40-40 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है. हाउ कैन यू कंपेयर दैट? सो द पॉइंट इज, यू सेड दिनेश प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी. प्रैक्टिस नहीं है, आपने एक इसमें लॉजिक भूल गए. एक वेरी स्मॉल पॉइंट, whenever 2 digits are added, maximum carryover is 1. क्या
Yes.
ये हम अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं ले सकते?
Yes, sir.
दिनेश, तो एक ही तो ऐड कर लेना है पहले.
Yes, sir.
एंड सेकेंड थिंग, आपको मालूम होगा आईएएस का जब इंटरव्यू होता है तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है कितनी सीढ़ियां चढ़ के आए. क्यों पूछा जाता है? व्हाई दैट क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड? टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ गुड और हाउ keen observer you are. What Vedic maths is giving you, that visual ability, visualization. When you are trying to visualize something, you find the reason behind it and apply the logic. So in this concept, you were doing 2 things at the same time. So that means you were trying to also visualize the numbers, जो अभी तक हम नहीं करते थे. हमारी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? We do maths by writing. We don't do maths mentally. If we understand that technique of left to right, your maths will improve a lot. Yes, for us at our age, definitely time lagega. But for kids, it is much easier. Okay. Now I have certain questions for you. So what did you observe from this method or this concept, observation? Anyone?
Left to right calculation makes it much faster.
That is one thing. Before that, anything? Okay, I'll give you a hint. What was the topic?
Multiples of 11.
Multiples of 11. Okay, multiplication with multiples of 11.
Multiplication of 11.
Multiplication.
So, where did we multiply? Topic was multiplication with 11 and its multiples. Correct?
Yes.
So, where
Yes.
did we multiply? Where did we multiply?
We added.
We added, simply added. That is, we need to understand. See, clarity comes when you are clear about the point. So that means, as per you, Dinesh, if you'll teach someone, oh, if you need to learn multiplication with 11, add it. Will it work? Okay, I'll give you one more example. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. This is the first topic is taught when you start multiplication in class 2 or 3. But nobody understands this cross. Why? Because till then, everybody has learnt only addition. Then the teacher says, 2 added 3 times will also give 6. Or 3 added twice will also give 6. And then a definition is given. Multiplication is repetitive, or repetitive, whatever you say, pronounce, addition. Correct? This is what you learn. Multiplication is repetitive addition. Now, my first question was 11 into 12. So, did I added 11, 12 times?
No.
No.
You just said to be added. Okay, then I might have added 12, 11 times. Yes? No. Then, how addition? Again, observe the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I added 1 and 5? Did I added 2 and 4? Did I added 1 and 3?
No, no.
No. I added 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4. That means corresponding digits. So you need to understand this small point. It is not a simple addition, but it is adding corresponding digits, the neighboring digits. Then only it is correct, not simply adding. Now is it clear?
Yes.
It was adding of corresponding digits. What more did you observe in this method? Very important, something which was very unique. Somebody answered also. That was for the first time in our life, we did calculations from left to right, which we never thought about it. And this was what our belief was when we started the class. Keep maths right to left only. And we were giving some reasons behind that. See, if you close your eyes, things will not change. This is not the fact, no? So we never tried. That was one fact. Now is it clear? Maths can also be done from left to right.
Yes, sir.
And you
Yes,
will learn, when you learn Vedic maths, you will learn this point. So this was the top, why this topic was chosen, just to make your clarity ki maths can be done left to right. And everything can be done with this balancing line. You know, one question I said 11 into 10. I said 10, 10. Now understand 10, 10. This is your balance. Got it? So it was 10, 10 only. But two digits cannot come at unit place. So that is the reason that is shifting. But we did with another way also. Any doubt, any point? Otherwise, we'll have a test now. Yes, any question? Last 1 minute to you. Anyone has any question, please ask.
No.
Nothing? Chalo, then let's go for the test. 141 into 22. Yes. What is the answer? Fast. Yes, Dinesh. Yes, Mohanty. Dilip, Riddhi, Gurpreet, iPhone, Nilesh, Pushpa, Subha. Subha. दो हैं सुबह.
3102.
How? How did you do?
141 multiply 20 and 141 multiply 2.
No, 141 into 11, then into 2.
Who is this? Dilip or Dinesh?
Yes, Dilip. Yeah,
That's,
Dilip.
that is good. That means you have visualized this number. See, what was the topic? Multiplication with 11 and its multiples. So a teacher will not ask you something which he has not taught. And the lady, you see, every time don't break the numbers 141 into 20 plus 141 into 2. You're making things complicated.
Okay.
If it would have been 84, then multiply by 80 and 4. No, don't go that wrong way.
Okay.
What was, see, we are still into the same class, same topic we are doing. That means my question would have been with the same concept. So that is 141 into 2 into 11. Can you not recognize this? Can you not visualize this number? So if it is this 282 into 11, 3102. But now one problem is there. Somebody who is sleeping, he says, no, no, no. 141 into 11 into 2. 151 into 2. 3102. He'll say this is correct.
Okay.
Now both are correct. But which is more appropriate?
First one.
Why? Yes, Dilip, Pushpa.
Because this 141 into 2 makes it another number which is easier to be multiplied by 11.
Okay. Dilip, I would say you are ready for learning Vedic maths. In the entire batch, I don't find anyone else. Because that what we need in Vedic maths is visualization. Maths is not at all tough. You just have to observe. See, leave 141. Let's say it was 141 into 77. Correct. So what is easy? 141 into 7. Sorry. $141 into 7 is easy, or 1551 into 7 is easy. Just think this way. Of course, smaller. So remember,
141.
whenever we have multiple of 11, so please multiply. See, let's say we have 22, 33, 44, 88. So first multiply with 2, 3, 4, 8 and keep 11 till the last, because 11 you can multiply with 40 digit number. Can you multiply any other number? You will be getting confused. 11 has that property of that adding the corresponding digits, not other numbers. So always multiply the multiplier first and keep 11 till the last. So this is appropriate. This is correct here. But appropriate or the best method, best way is first multiply with the number and then with the 11 till the last. Is it clear now?
Okay.
Yes.
Clear or okay?
Yes.
Okay. One more. One. Okay. 576 into 121. Now, tell me. Again, started thinking so much. What is this? It is 11 into 11.
Yes.
So what is 576 into 11? 6336 into 11 means 69696. Finish. What people take so much of time in multiplication, you can do easy way is if just this is kept open. Visualization, observation. So this was when I was going to teach you, or I was trying to ask you the question, why speed increases. So the behind scene is you start visualization. Visualization leads to reasoning, and that applies to logic. Because we have never been taught to think maths. We have never been taught to observe maths. We are always taught to write and do maths, practice maths. Yes or no? Just Is it clear now?
Yes, yes.
So that is more important. Visualization, observation. So Vedic maths you'll totally do mentally because you are trying to visualize the numbers. When we say na Vedic maths can be done mentally, कोई जादू नहीं है. It is because you start observing things. What is Vedic maths? It is a journey of transformation from fear of maths to confidence. That's the first thing. Second, it enables you with the feeling, yes, I can. Tomorrow I'll teach you something, how to check the answers, which is missing in mathematics. And once you understand that, you'll be able to find your answers correct every time. So that gives you that feeling, yes, I can. And the third thing, it gives you ability to think in a different way. Like now, 576 into 121, if you give it to a student, they'll start doing it multiplication. 3-time multiplication, then adding, then getting the results. And in a hurry, they'll make mistakes because 3 times carryovers. But here, just by observation, we found, this is a number near to 11. Like this, we have certain numbers, certain sutras in Vedic maths, which are very easy to understand and remember. Any doubt on this topic? Yes, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we'll be talking about the biggest burden of any student's life. So the biggest burden is tables. But before that, because nobody is answering, so please chat. How much time do you need to write a table of 89? You can give your answers in chat. Or if you can speak, you can speak. How much time you need to write a table of 89? But I want
3
the
minutes.
answers from everyone. Answer भी नहीं देना. 3 minutes. Okay, good. Dinesh, if I say you can do in 10 seconds. 10 minutes. No, Dilip. I'll make you do in 10 seconds. What else? 5 minutes, Riddhi. गुरप्रीत, आईफोन, नीलेश, पुष्पा. नींद पूरी होगी हो तो उठ जाएं प्लीज. Others? Yes, Gurpreet, where are you? Pushpa Raju. Subhashri. Okay. Now, just imagine if you are saying 10 minutes for this. And if you remember at your time, you were given punishments, physical also, for cramming these tables. टीचर बोलता था 12 का याद करके आओ, आप अगले दिन रट के जाते थे 12. क्वेश्चन 13 का पूछ लिया, फिर मार पड़ गई या डांट पड़ गई या क्लास से बाहर कर दिया. फिर 13 का रटा तो 15 का पूछ लिया. Because we were doing in a wrong way. We were cramming every table. And how is it possible to cram tables? So today I'll give you two methods. One is game. Why I'm giving you game? Because when you'll start teaching some students, and if you start with a game, they find it very easy. They find it comfortable and they connect with you. And the second method I'll give you in 3 minutes to write any table. So whosoever has written 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 5 minutes, believe me, today every table will be done in 10 seconds, 20 seconds, finish. And
Sure,
that
ma'am.
is that much easy is. I'll tell you once incident what happened. I taught somebody in Scotland. He was a sixth class student. After the class, after an hour, his father called me up. What did you say to him? I said, what happened? मेरी कोई शिकायत लगी होगी. No, he is abusing the teacher. Why? He's saying, why didn't they teach us earlier? And you will not believe what I'm going to teach you today. I've got it added in books of Haryana, government of Haryana this time. So in fourth standard and fifth standard, these tables are coming. In maths book only, we are having one chapter on Vedic maths. So that this burden of tables can be removed. So I'll give you two different ways. First method is, which is a game, just giving you so that you can make a connection with the students, so that students can connect with you, because nobody is going to come and learn maths the way you are doing. Nobody wants to learn maths. It is parents who force the kids to sit in a maths class. So if it is not interesting, they'll leave it. Before your class, I had a session with students. 30 students started in the beginning. Till last minute, 30 were there, and everybody with their videos on, because they were they were asking their doubts. Right. So you can have that video also. Now, first method is
Game method.
sorry.
You said it's a game method.
हाँ वही वाला. So it is for writing the tables of numbers ending with 9. So what are the numbers which end with 9? Simple. 9 itself. 19, 29, 39, and what I asked you, 89, and 119, and so on. 5, 6, 8, 9, anything. The only condition is unit digit should have 9. Right. Now, let's start. What is this? Yes. What is this? नहीं पता. यही बच्चे होते तो चिल्ला पड़ते. टिक टैक्टो, जीरो काटा, जीरो क्रॉस, एंड सो मेनी नेम्स. Yes or no? So make this table. First step. Second, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is how. कर लेंगे यहां तक. First step खाली. Second, fill 1 to 9. Now, what is the concept behind this? In Vedic maths, I told you we have sutras. So the first sutra is called as ek. I'm breaking the name. Adhikena Purvena. So we call it as Ekadhikena. Ek Adhikena Purvena. If you break this word, this is Ek Adhik Ina, which means, if translated, it means one more than the previous. So the translation says one more than the previous. And mathematical meaning, what do you mean by Ekadikena Purvena? This is the first sutra of Vedic maths. This means, so this was translation, and mathematical meaning is add 1 to the previous number. Today I'll give you one. See, I told you, one sutra, you can do a lot many things. So today with Ekadikena Purvena, we'll be doing table. Tomorrow with Ekadikena Purvena, we'll be doing scaring. So it's not that one sutra for one technique. No. Also, I'll teach you finding cubes regarding with Ekadikena Purvena. Division using, and division also very tough division. What you call it as fractions, vulgar fractions. What if this is a number? Do you know the answer will repeat after every 18 digits? Such fractions where 9 is in numerator, or 3 is in numerator, or 7 is in numerator, denominator, sorry. Then the answer does not stops. It repeats. Such fractions are called as vulgar fractions. And here we apply Ekadikena Purvena and we get the answer in single line. I'll tell you tomorrow. But today, so with this Ekadikena Purvena, with the translation says one more than the previous. Mathematical meaning is one to the previous number. How? 19. Let's say 39, 89, 59, or 119, or 239. I said add 1 to the previous number. So ignore this 9. Whatever is before that. Here it is 1, here it is 3, here it is 8, here it is 11, here it is 23, here it. We just have to add 1. Finish. Now see how. I gave you 2 steps. Second step was this. Already done. This we did. Now let's come to the third step. Let's say, okay, here only. Let's say this number is 19. I have to do table of 19. So what I am going to do is, I'm again writing first so that it's very clear. The first thing is, I told you, add 1 to this. So what is 1 plus 1?
2.
2. You just have to remember, or I'm just writing here. That's all. Finish. This new number is to be added everywhere. So what is 1 plus 2?
3,
3. Again, what is 3 plus 2?
5,
5,
5 here. Again, you're coming back reverse. 5 plus 2?
7,
7,
7 plus 2?
9,
9 plus 2?
11,
11 plus 2?
13,
13 plus 2?
15,
15 plus 2?
17,
17,
17 plus 2?
19,
We
19,
started with 19. We are ending with 19. That means I am correct. Put 0 here. What is this?
19 tens are
19, 10,
19 table. 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. 19 threes are 57. 19 fours are 76. 19 fives are 95. 19 sixes are 114. 19 sevens are 133. 19 eights are 152. 19 nines are 171. And 19 tens are 190. I'll give you one more. Now we'll move with speed. Let's say 39. So that means 3 plus 1 is 4. That means I have to add 4. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 23, 27, 31, 35 and 39. Finish. कितने सेकंड लगे? हार्डली 10 सेकंड.
15.
चलो 15 ले लो आप
Thank you, sir.
स्क्रीन पर. फिर भी 10 मिनट्स 5 मिनट से तो अच्छा है ना.
Right, sir.
And
Yes,
I'm
sir.
teaching then 5 seconds extra. कोई बात नहीं. Now you understood. Write down this 19. Write down 39. If any question is there, ask me. Is it clear?
If we take 129, then we add 13, na, sir?
Correct. We'll do that also. First single digit कर लें, फिर वो करते हैं. We'll take it. And I'll give you one more easy method also. This is game, so that
Okay.
students get connected with you. और इसकी लिमिटेशन है, दिस इज ओनली फॉर 9 numbers ending with 9. दूसरा मेथड जनरल फॉर एवरी टेबल. If this is clear, please write down 29 fast.
Done, sir.
Good. Now is it clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
चलो, सो एक और ट्राई कर लो. 59 फास्ट हो जाएगा.
Done, sir.
इजी रहा ना.
Right, sir.
चलो, नाउ तो वी स्टार्टेड कि 89 कितनी देर में होगा, अब देख लो. So that means 8 plus 9 is 17, right? 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71, 80. Finish. मुश्किल था. Yes. Was it difficult?
Mm. This
Small kids will enjoy this method, sir.
मैंने तभी बोला ना, आप आज तो नहीं, अभी कराया मैंने. 85 स्टूडेंट्स थे एक बार बैच में, और होते हैं. पीपल एंजॉय. आपको सिर्फ एंथो बना के रखना है, और देखो दे विल डू इट.
Right, sir.
चलो, नाउ सेम कैन बी अप्लाइड. ओके, एक इजी ट्राई कर लो. 99 फास्ट फास्ट फास्ट.
done, sir.
Very good. So if it is 119, like you asked 129, okay, 129 भी हुआ, तो let's do that. 129. So क्या होगा? 12 means adding 39, 13. So 25,
13. Okay.
38, 51. Correct?
41. Sorry.
गलत है मेरा?
Yes, yes, no, no, sir.
ठीक है, sir.
64,
Yes.
then 77,
77.
then 90 कर
90.
दो. 103,
Yes.
116,
6.
and
1, 9.
129.
Yes.
So, cool. So, आपने वो देखा नहीं, एक स्क्रीन पे जब आप जीरो क्रॉस बनाते हैं, तो दैट इज अ टाइम व्हेन स्टूडेंट्स गेट एक्साइटिंग मोमेंट. बिकॉज उसको उनको तो लगता ही नहीं है ना कि आप उनको खिलाओगे. उनको तो लगता है अभी डांट के मैथ्स कराओगे. तो दैट इज अ चेंज ऑफ फेज. सो दे गेट कनेक्टेड विद यू, राइट? चलो, एनी डाउट? एक और ट्राई कर लो आप, इजी सा. 199 लेटर प्रैक्टिस तो कर लेंगे. और 199 means adding 20 every time.
19.
So
Yes.
19, 39, 59, 79, 99. Like this, do it.
Done, sir.
Very good. Anyone has doubt?
Sir.
Now comes the question कि this was for only number 9, ending with 9. What about others? So others is much easier. Yes, 1 का टेबल किस किस को आता है?
Everyone, sir.
नहीं आता, आवाज ही नहीं आ रही.
आता है ना?
Everyone knows, sir.
Everyone knows. So that is what.
Yes.
चलो लिखते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Finish.
Yes.
2 का टेबल. 2,
2, 4,
4,
6,
6.
8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
ये टाइम होता है. आप सिर्फ 3 दिन पहले के नागपुर का अगर चेक करोगे वीडियोस, सो स्कूल्स में जब ये कराया गया तो देयर वाज सो मच ऑफ शाउटिंग एंड एवरीथिंग दैट पीपल स्टूडेंट्स एंजॉय व्हेन यू आस्क देम 1 का टेबल आता है. So I know everybody knows, but this is how you connect with them. So let's assume this is your unit place, this is your tens place. Just imagine and join the numbers. 4 आंसर्स बिना किसी एडिशन के, बिना किसी मल्टीप्लिकेशन के आगे. See, maximum what everybody knows tables is 12. एक जनरल अगर हम लेके चलें तो 12 से शुरुआत की. पहले 4 आंसर्स बिना किसी उसके. 5th में can we have 2 digit at unit place?
No.
Because we just learned. I told you ना, 0. Extra digit क्या हो रहा था? Shift. 6. 2 as it is 7. 4 as it is 8. 6 as it is 9. 8 as it is 10. 0 as it is 12.
12.
So adding 12 every time was easy. Or adding 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1 is easy.
Adding 1 is easy.
It's not adding 1. It is basically understanding this one. See, again, एक बड़ा question देता हूँ. 86, 16, 24, 32, 40, and so on. 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on. 86, 2, 17, 8, 25, 4, 34.
4,
Correct. 0, 43.
43.
Finish. क्या ये मुश्किल है? जो टेबल हम देखो जितनी ज्यादा 86 प्लस 86 करो तो हर बार यू विल बी गेटिंग अ कैरी ओवर. यस और नो? Yes.
Done, sir.
But now what we are doing, we're just adding. Is it difficult? Now your same table of 89 or anything. 8 का टेबल अभी हमने किया. 9 का ले लो. We talk about any table. Clear? Yes, anyone has any doubt? Okay, पहले एक करके देखो. 67 का करो. Do it. I'll be back. यस, हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
मुश्किल था? यस दिलीप,
No, sir.
दिनेश?
No, sir.
तो ऐसे क्यों नहीं
Yeah.
किया? अगर ऐसे किया होता तो आज तक रटे होते टेबल्स।
No.
सोचो बच्चों के ऊपर हम कितना जुल्म कर रहे हैं। अच्छा, अभी मैं इसको, दिस इज जस्ट रिटन वर्क। वर्बल मुश्किल है ना, वर्बल भी अभी 1 मिनट में हो जाएगा। आई टेल यू हाउ। बट रिटन भी नहीं आते हैं ना, रिटन का कॉन्फिडेंस भी नहीं है। आई टेल यू वन इंसिडेंट ऑफ त्रिभुवन यूनिवर्सिटी, एमएससी मैथमेटिक्स थर्ड सेमेस्टर. So I asked this first question, up till which number you can write the tables easily. MSc Mathematics third semester means they have done maths in +2, then 3 year in BSc, then 1.5 साल MSc, और फिर भी अगर कोई 12 तक कहे, they should leave. क्लास 1 का स्टूडेंट वैदिक मैथ्स का कह देता है 99, तो मैं ऐसे ही कर लूंगा। क्लास 3rd का, 1 का। So that was my point initially also. I said, when I asked you कि why maths आपने क्यों नहीं सोचा, you said we were taught in this way. Today everything is available on social media, Google, YouTube. We have time to chat, we have time to see the reels, we have time to scroll, but we don't have time to gain knowledge. And that is where we are lacking. There is a debate going on. Will AI replace teachers? What do you have? What is your stand on that? Yes, Dinesh?
Pardon me, sir.
There is a debate going on. Will AI replace the teachers?
No, sir.
Why?
No.
इमोशनल हो गए?
नहीं, बच्चों के साथ इंटरेक्ट होना, थोड़ा सा कम्युनिकेट करना,
बस
लिंक बना।
करते हैं? Are we really doing that?
Yes, sir.
No. I'll tell you one thing.
स्कूल टीचर्स माइट भी नॉट करते होंगे सर, प्रोफेशनल्स कर
Sir,
लेते हैं।
we collect the data. We collect the best videos, put in our hard drive. We collect the best books. We put it in our cupboard. We collect the best notes. We put it in our bags. उसको देखते कब हैं, उसको पढ़ते कब हैं, उसको एनालाइज कब करते हैं, उसको चेक कब करते हैं? याद करो। यू ऑल हैव द बेस्ट कलेक्शंस। तो एआई भी तो वही कर रहा है। दे प्रोवाइड with the best notes, best everything. So I always have a doubt on this because I have watched. मैं इंडिया और नेपाल दोनों जगह सेशंस देता हूं. I have a word with teachers. I discuss with them. 40 students are there in one class. 30 are going to do the same one with the tuition. Still 10 are failing every time. So we have to think about that. Chalo, I will not waste time. Now this is clear. Now understand how to memorize, how to speak out. There is a word called dodging of the tables. I'll tell you how. First, I'll tell you multiplication. Let's say there is a question 36 into 6. How do we attempt? We attempt 6 are 36, 6, 3, 18 and 3, 21. This is correct. But again, why not to do in the one way? 36, 6. Think from this side. 18, 36. I'm just putting a balancing line. No need also. 216. You'll say, sir, आपने तो 2 steps कर दिए. It was single step. No. Now when you are going to check the answers, then also it is clear. This is a silly mistake. When we talk about silly mistakes, there are 2 silly mistakes in maths. One is carryovers, multiple carryovers, and second is borrow. स्टूडेंट्स आप देखेंगे बच्चे ज्यादातर ये भूल जाते हैं, बट यहां गलती के चांस ही नहीं है। और जब वर्बल करना है, व्हेन यू हैव टू वर्बली डू डॉजिंग, क्या होता है, कुछ भी पूछ लिया 88 इंटू 8, तो क्या कहेंगे, आप एक बार आंख बंद करके सोचो, 8 8 64, 64, दैट मीन्स 704। गॉट इट? ये देखो 704, because here we cannot have two digits. 48 into 5. So what is that? 20,
40.
40, 240. आप एक बार बोल के देखो 20, 40, then you'll automatically say 240. हो गया डॉजिंग। सिर्फ आपको 2-3 घंटे लगने हैं एक बार अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए। 90 नंबर्स है, याद तक हो जाएंगे। 67 into 6, 36, 42, that means 402. Got it? 87, 58 into 5, 25, 40, so 290. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So with that same place value concept, you're doing multiplication also, you're doing tables also. ऐसे ही addition का मैं एक hint दे देता हूं आपको, लो। ये लो, 7 and 7, 14, and 12 and 5, 17, 14 and 17, 1 उधर गया, 157. This is called as place wise addition. वैदिक मैथ्स जब आप करेंगे तब ये सीखेंगे, बट वही सिंपल प्लेस वैल्यूज को यूज करो, बैलेंसिंग को। आई रोट अ बुक ऑन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स, इन दैट फर्स्ट चैप्टर आई सेड दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, इफ यू फॉलो दिस बैलेंसिंग लाइन, एंटायर अर्थमेटिक कैन बी डन। सी, कल जब स्केयरिंग क्यूबिंग करेंगे देन ऑल्सो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द बैलेंसिंग लाइन। एनी हाउ, if it is a 3-digit number, how to write the tables? Let's say 4, 5, 6, 456 का टेबल लिखना है, लेट्स से, सॉरी इधर कर लेते हैं 645, लेट्स से। सो 12, 18, 24, 30, 8, 12, 16, 20, ये जगह पे कुछ गड़बड़ है, 10, 15, 20, 25, तो 645 as it is। 0, 8 plus 1 9 हो गया, and 12, 5, 3, 19, 0 2 उधर गया, 8, 25, 5, 2, 32। बताइए क्या मुश्किल थे टेबल्स? 5 मिनट में आपको सारे टेबल्स आगे जो आप रटते थे। ये सुनो, स्टिल डू यू
Yes,
थिंक मैं? यस।
yes.
Now ask me any question you have regarding multiplication of 11, what we did today. So tomorrow we'll be doing scaling, cubing, and understand more topics. एक बहुत important topic है checking the answers, which is missing in maths. How to check your own answers, how to be correct every time. Yeah, tell me now. Yes, any question? Dilip, Dinesh,
No, sir, no, not.
Riddhi, Gurpreet, Nilesh, iPhone, Pushpa.
Sir, if 2-digit multiplication, then same
Which one? 2-digit?
multiplication.
Two
Suppose 78 multiply 28, yes.
See, जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन है वो 2-digit अलग मेथड है,
Okay.
See, today what we learned was tables. With the help of tables, we
Table.
did single digit. But
Okay.
आप उसको भी एक्चुअली बैलेंसिंग लाइन से भी कर सकते हो.
Okay.
मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूं. आज मैं वो मेथड नहीं बता रहा, बट आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू एग्जांपल. लेट्स से 25 इंटू यू सेड 65. यही कह रहे हैं.
Okay.
लेट्स से आप अगर इसको इस तरीके से समझें, 25 5 जा
125.
परफेक्ट, और 25 6 जा
150.
1.
ठीक है. अब ये 3 डिजिट्स हो सकते हैं यहां? नहीं, सिंगल. 12 वहां दे दो तो 162. चेक करो.
Okay.
I told you balancing line, you can do anything. I can give you 3 more different techniques on based for this. But आज हमारा जो टॉपिक है that is balancing line. Though for students this is not recommended because वो इतना बड़ा करेंगे कैसे 25 into 5 या 25 into 6. But for your understanding, see, you need to understand. जब मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूं balancing line can do anything. So I'm just giving you
Okay.
that hint. चाहे 3 डिजिट होता तो भी हो जाएगा.
Okay.
Got it? But otherwise, in Vedic maths, there are 2 different techniques. One is called as Nikhilam Sutra for multiplication. One is called as Urdhva Sutra. Urdhva is crisscross multiplication, and Nikhilam is with the help of reference, what you call as base and sub base. ये 2 general techniques हैं. उसके बाद there are several special cases, like one special case we did today, that was multiplication with 11. So that is called as a special case actually, right? Or same addition, maybe if you'll go, there are 4 methods. Subtraction, there are 3 different methods. That's what I said ना. देखो बच्चा मैथ्स में प्रॉब्लम क्यों आता है? Because maths is enforcement. You give one method and you say follow it, remember it, claim it. But Vedic maths, you give several methods, adapt anyone. So when you give the options, you learn more, you understand more, you are able to visualize, you are able to think. So that's why I said the third line, Vedic maths gives you ability to think in a different way, right? So this is a difference. Yes, any other? Yes, anyone else? कोई और डाउट किसी का?
No, sir.
So खत्म करें, फिर कल करेंगे. We'll be doing how to check with the answers, then scaling and cubing some concepts. Right.
Okay. Okay.
I'll be sharing you some homework. Try that. And sharing you the video very shortly, so you can attempt. Homework can be done in the same group.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Dinesh, any doubt? Any questions now you have?
No, sir. I am writing.
No,
Good night, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Chalo. Okay.
No doubt. Very highly useful. Session is highly useful.
Thank you.